Hello everyone. My name is dbracer, student Unity Part 2, San Diego City College, Mesa. Here I'm presenting the game, the status of my game. That is not really complete. It's just a project. It's my idea of my game. It's a level that I call Castle Explorer 1. Here's the main menu that I created with the ideas that our professor gave us. If you see, it's very simple with the name of the game, the play, and the quit. The quit is just only shows in the console. I included with this the build and the asset for the teacher to evaluate. But basically, I want to give you like a tour through the thing that I have done. As you see here, what I do is that I basically play, press here, play, and this I created another scene. In order to do this, I did another scene that's connected to the main scene. I push play here, and the game go. You see the sounds, a little bit of sounds that I created. You will see different sounds during the game. I created this other character that I call the Guardian Angel. It's not totally operative. It's just I created there for a feature. I created also these damage ranks. And if you see, I have the communicator in my game. I have the points and the health. The health is just partially working. If you go to the console, you see the damage, but not in the bar. I created the script and everything to do it. However, it's not working. I decided just to put the basic, and the script is included for future use and development. Here I confront the enemies, and then I start collecting every collectible is 50 points. If you see, this one is completely working. Um, See here, you see, he jumps. If he hits the ranks, the racks work like a racks in the teacher's game that cause damage to the player. Also, these monsters that are right here, he has to jump, attack them, and destroy them. And then he goes through these rooms in the castle, or the entrance of the castle. You see all these other objects that he has to capture in order to finish the adventure in the castle, or the exploration of the castle. It's a type of game following more or less one of my favorite TV program, Game of Thrones, and movies like Conan and all those shows and movies that I like from the medieval times. It was basically my inspiration to do all this. I became ambitious, and that was my problem. I could do like a 2D game, but it became very difficult when I decided to do a 3D game, because I have to this thing that you see there are Unity assets, but they were not originally like that. I cut all of them like in 100 pieces, and they created these structures. I liked, the buildings structure. I did that, and I am good combining assets. I found these monsters, and then I added those monsters, and then you see the dragons there, the dragon flying there. There's other assets inside here. If you look to the sky, you will see that dragon that was supposed to attack my supposed to attack my character. But later the script became so difficult because I told you I become ambitious. I thought I was be dead or something like that. But and also, you see, the light was a little bit affected by I think the menu creates some kind of problem with the lights, but at least it works basically, and I can develop. I think I'm gonna continue develop over this one. That was supposed to be a power up, and once we enter the main castle, you will see not only assets like this treasure, but also you will see I created this animation of the elevator. I also use the cinematic camera that helps a lot. It makes everything looks like a movie. Go there here, you jump here, and then try to to read the second floor. That's part of the. It seems difficult, but that's the idea, to make everything difficult for the player. Make the adventure and the level interesting. And then I finally jump here, and then I jump here, and I'm in the second floor. Once I get there, I start moving around and start getting treasures and collectibles. And as you see, the spare points increase. Uh, then you have to go around here. I try to be, like very cinematic. I like those games that are cinematic. I feel like in a movie, in a first person, that you are living the adventure with the game. Go through here, and then you move right here. It became very difficult because I was taking 4 more courses and working, and those details are details that create like a fever, and I like this, but the thing is that once you get here, you see this one becomes cured. Let me go again here. See, play again. I go play, and then I go again here, and then let me go straight now to the game. I try to avoid all this and go straight to the game. I want to show you the part where I go to the last stage of the game. You go straight right here, go jump to avoid damage. You're gonna go straight here. You're gonna move fast. Then you're gonna confront those 2 monsters here. I added to this file the build, and you're able to play my game. It's not a really complete game. It's basically a level with many features. If you look the original, you will see, like the professor, a lot of a script that I prepare and I implemented because it's difficult to implement at our level. It's just dreams that I had, and then I struggled with them. I was days working this, and I kind of upset because I couldn't get it. That's the reason why I didn't see my games. My game all the time posted, because I was fighting with myself to see how I could develop this better way. I'm a perfectionist, and these things bother me a lot when I don't get what I want. See, I go through here. There's another option of going this way. Instead of taking the elevator, you go through here, and see, go through here. You move around. Ah, he fell. He fell. Well, you can move around. That's the advantage of moving with the cinematics, because the cinematics allows you to go around and try to move around, to try to develop other ways of getting stuff in the game. So you can go down. You see the shadows of the dragon. You see the enemies, and then you can pre-plan. You see, when you go around cinematic, you can pre-plan your ways to get to the end of the game. Let me show you here a little bit of the elevator again. I went to the elevator, and then I go this way, and I found this treasure right here, and this collectible, and then I run around here, escaping from the exploder and the monsters. I had many ideas, but it's difficult to develop sometimes our level, and so as all you know, it's difficult sometimes to go to the details. And finally, I go through here, and I go through the wild to the forest that's close to the castle. I go to this place. I also work a lot in the terrain, just to give it a more interesting look. You go finally this way, run this way, all the way to the ship, and the final access right here. You go right here, you run away, you're running away, and then you jump over here. Finally, you reach the final asset and destroy it, and that's my game. I hope you like it. It was really a good experience to do all this. I hope to work in the future more in my game and in other games. Thank you very much. I enjoyed very much this class. Thank you.